So we've already been seeing examples of objects, playing around with them, but I want to be more specific now. How do we create objects? Well, in other programming languages, you need a class to create an object. But in JavaScript, an object is a standalone entity. There's no need for classes. And if you actually take a step back and you look under the hood, JavaScript doesn't have a true class. Everything in JavaScript is pretty much an object. So the question is, well then how do we create an object? We've already seen some ways that we've created objects, but I want to stress this. There is no right way to create an object. That's right, you can choose. And that's what makes JavaScript very dynamic and awesome. It's very flexible. You must just use whatever method suits your situation at that point in time. What are the different ways we can create an object in JavaScript? Well, I can break it down into 4. You've got object literal, object constructor, object.create, and you've got this new ES class. And I guess it's only natural, let's start with the very first one, an object literal. An object literal is also known as an object initializer. The reason they call it an initializer is to be consistent with other terminology used in other programming languages like C++. And creating an object via an object literal is one of the easiest ways to create a variable in JavaScript. All you need to do is define property values inside curly braces. We've seen this, we've done examples where we said let bike equal and we had these curly braces. And all we do within the curly braces, we use a comma to separate multiple key value pairs. Let's have a look at another example of how to create an object via object literal syntax.